Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Slack. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to know the features that are available on Slack. So as you can see, the first thing that you will be able to do is to start chatting. So there are channels and there are DMs. So from the DMs, you can start like chatting with specific people or create a group of people like have a collective conversation. So you can click to anyone and from here you will have the chatting bar. So you will be able to compose your messages. You can format your message with these styling formattings. You can create links so from here you can link to, for example, Slack.com or whatever. You can also start enumerating the message, aligning the message, or having like the bullets. You can also have block codes and you can have code block. Those are all some type of formatting for messages. Now you can also start like hide formatting or do whatever you'd like adding emojis. You can have GIFs, and basically you can tag people or mention people. You can start recording video clip. You can start huddles like calling people from either the channel or in the DMs. You can call them by audio, and you can also start like do whatever you like. Also, for each channel or to create channel, you will be able to do it by clicking on Add Channel, Create Channel, and from here already you will find like some beginner-friendly starter packs or templates that you can use depends on your needs. So this is only for the channel, and basically each channel would have like potential to have many features. For example, you'd have the ability to create canvas, and from canvas you would find also many templates that you can use. And basically you would have automation, and basically this is kind of more advanced, but let's just stick with canvas and just the basic utilities. You can also start finding your DMs from here, so you can have like an easy navigation to your DMs, and you can also have like many other features that you can use for more. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.